Hello everyone. Now we will talk about polyhaloolefins. Poly means many, halo means halogens, olefins means alkene molecules. So that means these are the polymers in which monomer units are haloalkenes. So haloalkenes will polymerize to form the polymer called polyhaloolefins. Now in this category we will talk about only two molecules. First one is PTFE and second one is PVC. PTFE means poly tetrafluoroethylene molecule. The another name of this molecule is Teflon, and another molecule is PVC means polyvinyl chloride. Let's start with the PTFE, Teflon. So PTFE, the monomer is tetrafluoroethylene. Tetra means 4. So there are 4 fluorine atoms. Ethylene means there are 2 carbon doubly bonded. So N such monomers will polymerize to form Teflon. It's an addition polymer. Why? Since it is having a double bond which gets converted into a single bond without any loss of some small molecule. Another thing, Teflon we are using very frequently at our home in the form of non-stick cookwares. So let's talk about the properties and uses of this Teflon molecule. The very first and the important property is it is hard, tough, resistant towards heat, towards bases, towards acids. So quite resistant material. It is also a very poor conductor of electricity. Now Teflon is being used in the formation or in the preparation of seals and gaskets. Gaskets and seals which have to bear very high temperature and pressure. Second use is it provides insulation for high frequency electrical installations. And the third one is definitely for the formation of non-stick cookwares, means for the coating of non-stick pans and other cookwares. But mind it that this Teflon coating can only bear a temperature of 573 Kelvin at the most. That means above this temperature it will break. So that's why we should not go for deep frying in the pans having Teflon coating, because it is not very stable. Now coming to the second polymer, that is PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Now what is this PVC, polyvinyl chloride? PVC is a polymer which is obtained by the polymerization of vinyl chloride molecule. Vinyl chloride molecule. Now this vinyl chloride, of course, in the presence of peroxide. Which peroxide? Dibenzoyl peroxide. So in the presence of peroxide, this will polymerize to form PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Again, it's an addition polymer and it's a homopolymer. Addition because doubly bonded molecule gets converted into singly bonded without the loss of some small molecule. Homopolymer because it is made up of only one type of monomeric units. So what are the properties and uses? Properties. PVC is a thermoplastic. Thermoplastic means the plastics which can be remolded, and its plasticity can be increased by adding some plasticizer. So what are plasticizers now? Plasticizers are simply those substances which are added in the polymer to change or alter the physical properties. Now generally they are added to increase the softness of these polymers. The best example of the plasticizer is DOP, means dioctyl phthalate. Dioctyl phthalate. So uses of PVC. First and the important use, all of us are aware, that is PVC pipes. We are using PVC pipes. Number 2, for artificial flooring, we are using PVC. So artificial flooring. Artificial flooring. We are using PVC. And the third one is definitely for preparing tablecloths, handbags, some raincoats, curtain clothes and of course gramophone record.